Assalamualaikum. This is Rafia Jahan, but you can call me Rafia because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on verbs. So let's get started. Wake, that means ঘুম থেকে ওঠা. I wake up early. আমি তাড়াতাড়ি ঘুম থেকে উঠি. Wear, that means পরা. I wear my shoes. আমি আমার জুতা পরি. Carry, that means বহন করা. I carry my bag. আমি আমার ব্যাগ বহন করি. Well, that's all about my presentation. Hope you like my presentation. Next time I will be back with another fantastic presentation. Till then, I want to say tata for now.